Hello viewers, today's video is on the photo restoration process, how we can bring old memories back to life. We take you behind the scene as we work to restore various old damaged photographs to bring to their former glory. By using advanced editing techniques, and if you have a keen eye for detail, we carefully repair scratches, faded colors, and other imperfections to bring the cherished memory back to life. You will get an in-depth look at the entire process, from scanning the original photo to using specialized software to correct, enhance, and colorize the image. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional, or simply curious about photo restoration, this video will give you valuable insights into the tools and methods we use to preserve history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more restoration tutorials, tips, and transformations. The tools we used are the Photoshop and the Lightroom, the scanning techniques, and the specialized restoration software. Thank you.